Welcome to Teall Court in Ossett, a lovely 3-bedroomed family home, 1 bath, 1 downstairs WC, lovely garden, parking for 4 cars including garage. Please allow us to show you around. Thank you for looking around Teall Court at Ossett. As you've seen, a lovely 3-bed family home, couple more things, extended, set aside of a lovely tranquil stream, great schooling nearby, motorway links just minutes away where you can get to Leeds, Sheffield and surrounding areas. If you want to view, give us a call on 01 924 692240 or email hello@trustsl.co.uk. Thank you for viewing.